Now, packed, let's go to the clinic and let's show you around. See you there. What's up, guys? We just arrived. I arrived at the space. There's the keys, so we're gonna just to see the space before everything moving, so you can see and find what's and where. Let me just show you. Flip this over. Let me just show you. So we are. There's a hairdresser tattoo, and we are just there on the top. So let's go in and see what the space is all about. And on the left, and welcome to Malvern free massage therapy. So guys, here you go. There's Malvern free massage therapy. We basically open. We just need to move in and we're ready to book appointments. So we take the appointments already. But let me show you the space and what's all about, how we're gonna move in and everything. Massage table and other things, so we'll have a nice curtain around here and move in. Maybe really nice blinds, so you can see that's a space. And there we're gonna set up chairs. We're gonna set up a stretching area for initial consultation and so on. And it's gonna, look great. Just want to show you space before everything is done. I'm really excited. I hope you too. And let's get this done, shall we? So, guys, it's all done, all set up. I just wanted to show you what I did with the place, shall we? Oh, that was a long day. That was a lot of work, but it's all worth it in the end. Guys, I hope you like the tour. I hope you explain you where I work, what I do and how I set up. I am a qualified massage therapist in sport, remedial, holistic. I do spinal manipulation, dry needling and stretching and mobilization therapy. We're literally open. We already booked two first clients this Monday, so we open from Monday. Look, you can check out our website for all the details. Move free Malvern therapy. There's all the information how to book and to book the sessions. Spread the word. If you have any questions or would like to book the appointment, please contact me. My number is 079 222 78249, and we can book you in. And you can tell me what you think about my clinic and setup, and obviously about the treatments. Obviously look for them. Flats are gonna leave them around Malvern everywhere, so grab one, give to your friend, give to your family, wife, brother, sister, cousin. As you can see, there will be lots of promotions going on. You can see new in Malvern. Yes, we are. Hope you have an amazing day. Enjoy some sunshine. and hopefully I'm gonna see you soon in my treatment room. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.